Hey Denise, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I got to speak with Bambi, who thought you might be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So I'm just going to give you some tips that you guys can apply right away to increase your online presence and to get more of those organic leads. So we are on your website, and it is important to note that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized. Now, you do have a nice looking website. You do have separate pages for each of your services, which is exactly what you need. The only content your website really has is this About Us section, which is really more focused on your brand versus local relative keywords. You do have a little bit of mention here, but you don't really have the keywords working for you. And majority of your pages are all duplicates. As important as it is to have these separate pages for each of your services, the same goes for your service areas. But when you go to these service areas, it is a duplication of your home page. There is not any additional content focused around these areas and the keywords relative to these areas. And also, all pages need to be original content. Google will not index you because they consider it spam when all of your pages have the same content. So you need separate, unique content for every individual page focused on your buyer intent keywords. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the homepage focused around those buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the words that people are actively searching for the services that you're performing in the service areas you're performing them in. Customers may not know the name of your company, but they know the problem that they're having, and that's what they're going to be searching on Google. And so that's what your content needs to be about. And so you're going to have to rework your content on all of your pages and focus on those local buyer intent keywords so that your pages can be re-indexed and those keywords can be ranked better. You also need to have more content than your competitors. Google has robots that actually go and index these pages, pulling the content and the keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. Now, one of your top competitors for disaster restoration is Fine Restoration. They have a nice website as well. They have the separate pages for each of their services and each of their service areas. They also have separate content for each of those pages. They're focused on those local buyer intent keywords. And they have a lot more content than you guys do. So in order to be able to beat this specific company, you're going to have a lot more content throughout your website. Focus on that content strategy and your keyword strategy. The next part is going to be the search engine optimization. You guys are doing okay here. You guys got a rank of a 17 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow because you have 893 backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. It is important that you're going after the high authority backlinks that are do follows and related to your industry, that you have more backlinks than your top competitors for each of your services in each of your service areas, and that they are higher quality backlinks than those competitors. You've got a majority of your backlinks going to your homepage, which is okay, especially for trying to rank for your brand, but it doesn't do much to help rank you for your services or service areas. So those backlinks do need to be spread out. You have been indexed for 377 keywords, but you're only seeing 173 people to your website on average per month. So you're missing out on a big chunk of traffic. For your keywords, you are in first position and on first page for quite a few. A lot of them are based around your brand. You do have some for water and fire and water, but most of those are for your home page. Most of those are for your home page. The one for water damage is still your brand. So you definitely need to work on the keywords to rank your actual service pages for each of your buyer intent keywords that are related. These guys only have a rating of a 3, and they have 792 backlinks. So that just goes to prove not all backlinks are created equal. It is important that you have not just more backlinks, but better quality backlinks. They only have been indexed for 234 keywords, and they're only seeing 274 people to their website. But they are outranking you in several of your important buyer intent keywords. And that's just because of their backlinks driving those keywords. Now, looking at your backlinks, it looks like only a third of your backlinks are do follows. So only a third of your backlinks are actually contributing and helping you to rank. So what a backlink is, so on one website links to your website and then drives traffic to it. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your industry and services, the more authority and power Google's going to give you and to help you to rank. If they are do follows, they will also share the power of those sites to help you to rank faster. And then it's important to understand that these backlinks should also be tied to your keywords you're trying to rank for, so you can be found for those services and in your service areas. Just looking quickly at this page, it looks like majority of these backlinks are all going to the home page, and either for your website or for your brand. So, here's one. Here's one for a buyer intent keyword. So you definitely need to work on using those backlinks for those keywords so you can start ranking and getting that organic traffic. And the last thing I want to talk about is the map pack. For Wichita water restoration, you are in the #1 spot. But when I search other keywords, you are not. So and this is an important spot because 30% of people come directly to the maps and don't go any further. So when you're not in this top 3 section for your relevant keywords and service areas, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. So it is important to get this optimized. And the most important factor are your citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you will need more of those than your top competitors in each service area and for your relative keywords. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for your keywords in your service areas with those keywords. We hope that you found this video to be helpful and that you will be able to apply these tips that we've provided so that you can get more of those organic leads. We would really love to get some feedback on the video and what you thought. Now, if you do need help getting any of it done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.